Hello friends, today we will talk about Capital First Loan app. So keep watching this video till the end. Please subscribe my channel Kyan Matra. Capital First Loan app. Within a short time of 5 years, Capital First has built a large network for providing loans in 222 locations across the length and breadth of the country. The company enjoys the highest long-term credit rating of AAA. Capital First is entirely focused on building an institution on strong pillars of ethics, values and high corporate governance. Capital First is a listed company in the stock market with the market cap of 6,000 crore. With Capital First, you can apply for the following loans: business loans. Apply for MSME loan from Capital First to meet your short-term working capital needs, or long-term loans. Loan against property. Capital First's loan against property allows you to borrow by mortgaging your property as collateral. Personal loan. No matter what your financial needs are, unexpected expenses, a medical emergency, school or college admission, whatever the occasion, Capital First personal loans can help you meet your needs. Consumer durable loan. Apply for ME loans without a credit card with 0% interest and low down payment with Capital First. Consumer durables financed by Capital First are air conditioner, audio system, home theater, inverter, kitchen appliances, microwave, television, refrigerator, washing machine, desktop, digital camera, laptop, smartphone, tablet.